If someone asks you what are short tail and long tail keywords, and you answer that short tail means the keyword which has less than 3 words, and long tail means the keyword which has more than 3 words. If you have this answer, then watch this video till the end because in this video I'm going to explain the actual difference between long tail and short tail keywords. We will talk about what are these two types of keywords and which keywords you should use in SEO, mean search engine optimization. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Today we are going to talk about short tail and long tail keywords. As we discussed earlier the definition of long tail and short tail keywords, but that's not the actual definition. Short tail keywords mean general queries and long tail keywords mean more specific queries. Now let's understand in detail. First of all, let's talk about short tail keywords. Whenever a user types a small keyword, or I say types a keyword where he is doing a general query on a topic. For example, if a person has searched shoes on Google or any search engine, then we know that he needs information related to shoes. But we will not be able to tell what information he needs related to shoes, whether that person wants to learn how to make shoes or buy shoes, whether that person is a man or a woman for whom he wants to buy shoes, whether he wants to buy running shoes, sports shoes, or boots. We don't know. So, whenever a person does such a query where he has a general idea in his mind, a general topic, then it became a shorter keyword. Now, whether he uses one word, two, three, or even five words, it doesn't matter. Now let's talk about long tail keywords. Long tail keywords keyword is basically used when our user or our audience types such a keyword on the search engine when he wants a specific topic or a specific product. Like I took the example of shoes earlier, but if the same person types that best running shoes for women, then it became a specific query. In this query, we know what that person wants. He wants shoes. What type of shoes he wants? He wants best running shoes. For whom he wants? He wants for women. Now we have cleared these things, means we know which product he wants to see specifically. So if your website has running shoes of women and in best quality, then your page is for that query. But suppose your website doesn't have shoes for women, you deal only with men, then for that query your web page is irrelevant. Neither you want Google to rank it for you, nor Google will make it rank for you. That's why whatever your content is, it should be relevant to the keyword. I hope so the idea would have been clear that what are short tail and long tail keywords. Now let's talk about how to use these keywords when we are practicing SEO. Should we go for long tail keywords or should we put short tail keywords? In this way, everything depends on volume, competition, product, and service. Like, how is the competition for your keyword? How is the volume of your keyword? And some other important things like your product and service also matters. We discussed all these things in our videos. I will link them in the description or at the end of the video. Watch all of them and learn properly for your benefit. But remember one thing, that the competition on shorter keywords is very high. And the reason for that is that, as I took the example of shoes, there will be a lot of variety in shoes: women's shoes, men's shoes, football shoes, running shoes, sports shoes. Thousands of varieties will come in this general keyword. So, definitely the competition will be more. But in long tail keyword, the competition decreases for some products, for some sites. But we use long tail keywords in some cases, and in some cases, we use short tail keywords too. You will understand this with complete understanding of theory or practical work, type of keywords, usage of keywords, or website or product structure, and with some other important factors too. That's all from today's video, viewers. Thanks for watching. Any opinion of yours, any query of yours, you can tell me in the comment section below. You are always welcome. Thanks for watching viewers again. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.